Welcome to the Benefits of. This channel covers all things health. Today let's discuss the health benefits of celery, crunchy and underrated celery's secret superpowers. We all know celery. It's that crunchy green stalk often relegated to the veggie trays corner, overshadowed by more vibrant veggies. But hold on. This humble vegetable is a nutritional powerhouse packed with surprising health benefits. Don't let its simple appearance fool you. Celery is about to become your new best friend. Get ready to discover why this unassuming veggie deserves a spot on your plate every day. Celery often gets dismissed as just water, and while it's true that it boasts a high water content, it's also bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Forget expensive superfoods with fancy names. Celery delivers real results without breaking the bank. We're talking about boosting your immune system, protecting your heart, and even fighting inflammation, all with that satisfying crunch. Think of celery as the underdog of the vegetable world, quietly delivering incredible health benefits while staying humble. It's time to ditch the celery stereotypes and embrace this crunchy wonder for the nutritional rockstar it truly is. Get ready to unlock a world of wellness, one juicy bite at a time. Fighting inflammation, celery to the rescue. Inflammation is a big word, but it basically means your body is fighting something. Sometimes this is good, like when your body fights off a cold, but sometimes inflammation sticks around too long and causes problems. This is called chronic inflammation, and it can lead to serious health issues like heart disease and diabetes. Here's where celery swoops in with its secret weapon, antioxidants. These powerful compounds fight inflammation and protect your cells from damage. Specific antioxidants in celery like apigenin and luteolin have been studied for their anti-inflammatory effects. In fact, research suggests that regularly eating celery can help lower levels of inflammation markers in the body. So by simply munching on a few celery stalks, you're giving your body an army of antioxidants to combat inflammation and protect your health. It's like having a natural defense system built right into your snack. Add some celery to your diet and experience the difference. Heart health hero celery keeps things flowing. A healthy heart is essential for a long, active life, and celery can be your heart's new best friend. Celery contains a unique compound called phthalides, which have been shown to relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. This means your heart doesn't have to work as hard to pump blood throughout your body, reducing blood pressure and lowering the risk of heart disease. But that's not all. Celery is also a good source of potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and counteracts the negative effects of sodium. And let's not forget about fiber, another heart-healthy hero found in abundance in celery. Fiber helps lower cholesterol levels, further reducing your risk of heart problems. Think of celery as a natural way to keep your blood flowing smoothly, like clearing out a clogged pipe. By adding celery to your diet, you're giving your heart the support it needs to stay strong and healthy for years to come. 2. Digestion dynamo, celery keeps you regular. Let's talk about digestion, something we all experience but rarely discuss openly. A healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being, and celery can play a significant role in keeping things running smoothly. Celery is an excellent source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, which act like a broom for your digestive system. Soluble fiber dissolves in water, forming a gel-like substance that helps soften stool and promotes regularity. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, adds bulk to your stool and helps it move through your digestive tract more easily, preventing constipation. But the benefits don't stop there. Celery also contains a type of carbohydrate called mannitol, which acts as a natural diuretic, helping to flush out excess water and toxins from your body. This can further aid digestion and reduce bloating. So, next time you're feeling a little backed up, reach for a crunchy celery stalk and let nature work its magic. Beyond the stalked celery juice mania? You've probably heard about the celery juice craze taking over the internet, and for good reason. Juicing celery allows you to consume a concentrated dose of its nutrients, giving your body a powerful boost of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. While more research is needed to confirm some of the claims surrounding celery juice, there's no denying its potential health benefits. Proponents of celery juice claim it can help reduce inflammation, improve digestion, boost energy levels, and even clear up skin issues. While more scientific studies are needed to confirm these claims, many people swear by the power of celery juice, reporting positive changes in their health and well-being. Whether you're a seasoned celery juice enthusiast or a curious newbie, remember to listen to your body and consult with your doctor before making any significant dietary changes. Start slowly with a small amount of celery juice and gradually increase the quantity as tolerated. And don't forget to enjoy the process. Experiment with different flavors by adding a squeeze of lemon, a handful of spinach, or a knob of ginger to create your perfect celery juice blend. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. See you in the next video.